On today's body cam, we're checking out girlfriend thinks she can live with her ex by force.
I want her out. What are we doing? I want her out.
A man called 911 to remove his ex after their argument got out of control. But by the time police arrived, she wasn't just arguing with him, she was disturbing the whole neighborhood.
If they can't, they gonna tell me every motherfucking thing. Yeah, all right. Thank you. I want her out. I want her out.
What are we doing?
I want her out. I left the door open for y'all to come in. I want her out.
Nothing.
I want her out.
That's
it. That's it. I ain't trying to fight. I ain't trying to fight. I want her to get the my apartment. This is my apartment. I want her out.
Cause you have
I want her out.
Don't
Think that's tripping.
No, I want her out.
They all right.
She's throwing all my clothes. She's all on the floor. I want her to go.
Who are you?
I'm her son.
Okay.
Yes, my
I
son.
don't think I've ever met you before.
Yes, sir.
I'm here to
How
talk
you doing?
about
Oh, so you been over here a
How
long
you shaking
time.
her hand? You need to put some gloves on.
You're next.
You need to put some gloves.
He's
You
so
need to put some gloves on.
How you doing, honey?
Why don't you
I
go
want her
outside?
to go.
Hey,
Sit down. Sit
why
down.
don't you go
this is my
outside and
last
talk
time.
to this officer? I'm going to talk to him.
This is my last time. I want her gone.
Me and my son, we're good. We gonna
Yeah.
go.
Sit down.
Her son ain't got nothing to do with none of this.
Sit down.
I want her to go.
Okay.
He said he
Well,
want her
It's
to
just
go
a
with her.
misunderstanding, y'all.
He want her to go with
It's just
her.
a misunderstanding.
All right.
That's it.
Here's what we're going to do. Okay?
Yeah.
Young lady, you're going to go outside and talk with Officer Beal. I'm going to stay in here and talk with Okay?
It's just a misunderstanding.
We're going to talk about it. We're going to figure it out.
I understand.
And this probably isn't a police matter.
Okay.
Okay? Are you going to cooperate, young lady?
I'm gonna go outside. What you said? Do what he said.
She ain't gonna cooperate.
Do
She
what he
don't know how.
said. Listen to me.
She don't know how to cooperate.
Do what he
She
said.
don't know how to cooperate. She don't.
Why are you so upset?
No, I'm not. Go ahead.
Stop
Listen to the officer. Listen to the officer.
Listen to me. Do what he said.
There we go.
She not. She not going to.
Because your neck's so short.
No, but you finna be.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
outside talk with Officer Beal.
Son,
Keep going, keep going, keep
No,
going.
I want her to go.
Keep going,
Good.
keep going.
See, the officer says this is probably not going to be, you know, really their involvement for real, because if she has residency and stuff, they're thinking in their mind that this is just going to be okay, their boyfriend and girlfriend, whatever. It's his place, but she be staying there. She got things there. She's been there more than 30 days. You know, we just try to calm them down, but we can't make her leave. That's probably what these officers are thinking. Especially with the son being there, because why the son there? You know what I mean? So, but that's the thing with these evictions, and when you have people moving in and being together and all of that, you got a girl, or if you a girl and you got a man and he got some things there, and you know he been staying there for a month. Well, when you tired of him, or when you tired of her, no, you can't. It ain't just leave. No. Yeah, I got residency here now.
All right, you're her son?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm her son.
You want to stay in here and be an impartial witness?
Nah, you wanna go see what's going on with them.
Sounds good. All right, let's go. I see an empty bottle of vodka. We're having a great day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
An empty bottle of tequila. We're having a better day.
No,
What's going on?
I'm okay.
Okay.
But the whole thing is, she want to get around her son, so I'm being aggressive. I want her to leave. And then she tell me about brother and all that. So I'm saying, because her son ain't got nothing to do with nothing. I just want her to leave. Ain't nothing wrong with me. I'm not intoxicated, none of that. The whole thing is the disrespect thing.
Yeah.
I done held you down, your house getting worked on, and you having problems. I want you to go. You can't come back here. So Monday, I'm going to the courthouse. I'm gonna put a restraining order on her.
That'd be the
She
best
can't
option.
come back here. She can't come. I want her to leave today though. She can't come back here ever.
How long has she stayed here?
She been here on and off for like a couple months, on and off. They working on the house and I want her to leave. It ain't about the drinking or the intoxication. She dropped down that whole bottle.
I see that.
She had.
That's
Like,
impressive.
for real. No, it's not. She's annoying you.
The fact she's able to stand up and walk, that's...
But see how aggressive she is, right?
Uh-huh.
She got a whole murder on her jacket. When she ran
Alcohol
her
does
husband
that to
over,
people.
and her son was telling me, like, you need to leave her alone or she gonna kill you. He telling me this in front of me.
Wait, she got an M? She got an M?
That whole bottle.
I see that.
She had.
That's
Like,
impressive.
for real. No, it's not. She's annoying you.
The fact she's able to stand up and walk, that's...
But see how aggressive she is, right? She got a whole murder on her jacket when she ran her
Alcohol does
husband
that to
over.
people.
And her son was telling me, like, you need to leave her alone or she gonna kill you. He telling me this in front of my face, in front of her.
I believe it.
And she ran her husband over and killed him and did a little time, like 4 or 5 months.
I remember that.
4 or 5 years.
Yeah, I remember that.
So,
Okay.
only thing I want to do, I just...
Yeah, you know, a little murder, just get a little, 4 or 5 years. You know what I'm saying? Something light. You know, statistically, women get much less time for the same crimes that the men do. You know.
Remove my premises.
I think my phone is in here, big bro.
I ain't trying to file no charges. I ain't trying to do none of that. I just want her to go.
Okay.
So I won't be here being physical.
I'm gonna call my lady. I'm gonna get me.
Yeah, do that. That's good.
Let's do that far right here.
Let's go. Do that. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. But yeah, she can't stay here.
Okay.
And it's a whole lot of conflict between...
It's bullshit.
No, I know, because of her.
Bullshit, you know
I
that.
said I'm trying not to be physical, and she being who she is.
Why do you do
I can't
that?
take that shit no
Why
more.
did you even call them?
I called them because I'm not doing this no more.
It's
That's
bullshit.
it. That's it. I'm done. I'm done.
No, you not.
I'm done. I'm done.
You gonna call us tonight?
No, I'm not. I'm
That
not.
man be coming
I'm not.
out.
I'm
Yes,
not.
you
I'm
are.
not.
All right.
I'm going to put a
All right.
restraint order on
Why
her.
don't you grab your phone?
She put a restraint
Call
order.
your girl.
I'm putting a restraint order.
You want me to
on her.
grab my phone?
That's your phone, right?
Yes, sir.
You're going to call your ride and come
Yes,
pick
sir.
you up, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm putting a restraint order on my ass once in the courthouse.
Okay.
After my interview.
Whatever you say.
After my interview.
Y'all
She
do
done.
this. Y'all do this
No.
every time.
All right.
Too many policemen
Let's go.
involved.
Okay.
And it's going to make me lose everything I got. And I explained that.
All right.
No. About that,
Let's go.
She did.
Let's go.
About that for y'all.
She did. I ain't drinking.
Shut your door. Call your ride?
So you guys are just,
Yes, sir.
just arguing,
Yes.
a little drinking involved, and arguing, getting a little amped up.
Yes.
Okay.
And my kids, like, my kids,
Yeah.
we going down together. Like, okay.
No, we're not going down together, man. Cause we're not going
Bring her
down.
into this world if she wants to take you out with her.
Nah, see, we're not going there. Hello, baby.
We have kids.
I need you to
I'm
come and
not
get
saying
me
it. I'm not saying us
from
being here, me
my
saying
house.
it's
The
something
police over here. I can't
we
drive.
are just here.
I need my cigarettes out of her purse.
And I need you to come.
I need my cigarettes.
Are we going to argue over cigarettes?
No, I'm not. I'm not going to argue. I just need my
Whenever you get
cigarettes.
time, just pull up over here.
That's it.
Really just trying to get
Come get me.
my
They say I can't drive.
and then compare, okay? Just to make
Cause
sure
I've been drinking.
everything's squared away.
You got his cigarettes?
I don't.
I came over here to chill with her, to support them. And they,
Oh my
they did the
God,
same
what
thing
is-
again.
what
You know
is
what
about?
they do. You know
So
what
you
they
guys
do.
were
They
on
did
this
it
side.
again.
I'm not biracial. I'm all
And they here
American.
now, so I can't go.
Sure.
You okay? You're okay.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, she
I'm just not
My
gonna
ride
bow
coming.
down.
My ride's
I'm not bow
You going
down.
to take her with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my mom.
Yeah, just
Perfect.
Thank you, honey. I'm so sorry.
You don't have to hug her. She's not with you.
that's okay.
She is not with you. She would lock you up. You
All right,
understand?
let's wait. Let's wait for the ride, okay? All right.
She would lock you up.
I know.
Stop it.
What's your name?
My name?
Your name.
I'm Jesus.
You're not Jesus.
I'm not Jesus.
Jesus is in heaven. You're not Jesus. We're on North Cherry. This ain't heaven.
You know, hello?
All right.
Huh? Hold up, mama, hold up. Mama! Stop.
I'm gonna lose it.
Y'all gone?
I'm gonna wait.
Get out of here, man.
I'm gonna wait in my car for you guys to leave.
You gonna wait? Let me go! You gonna leave?
I'm gonna wait in my car for you to leave.
I don't know, baby. I don't know. Let me go. Stop it. Baby, come on, I'm over here. Come on. All right, come here. Don't walk away.
What?
Come here.
Why?
Because I want to talk to you.
Okay. What do you want to talk?
Off with me.
Stop.
Stop it.
What do you want to talk about?
Don't tell me what to do.
I'm gonna tell you what to do if you keep yelling like that.
You can't tell me what to do.
I can tell you what to do.
How can you tell me what
Because
to do?
I am the police.
I don't care.
She'll put handcuffs on you for battering your mother, and you'll spend the next
I
couple
ain't
hours in
battering my
jail.
mother.
I think you just did,
My mother right here with me.
but you both are really drunk, so we're not going to make a
Who
big
drunk?
deal out of it.
I'm not drunk.
I saw you drink half a bottle of Tito's, my man.
That don't mean I'm drunk.
You're pretty drunk.
I'm all right.
Okay, you
I'm
feeling
having a
good?
conversation with you, right?
All right, what do you want to talk about?
This whole family weird. I ain't gonna lie. The only one that seemed all right is the guy the boyfriend. You know, the son is a little off. He's a little weird. And the mom, she's toe up. She's toe up, man. You know, because on one end it's like, you know, you cool, but then you like, yeah, she'll lock you up. Don't be hugging her. Don't be hugging. Hey, come here. We. It's like, just get your ride. Take your drunk ass and your drunk ass killer mama and go home, man. Damn.
I'm okay.
What do you want to talk about?
I don't talk about nothing. Y'all came over here to talk to me.
All right, I'm going to wait in my car.
Mama.
I want to stay in the spot.
I'll talk to you some more time,
Okay.
bro. I'll get you
Yeah.
I'm seeing you.
Stay in the corner. That white girl down.
Stop it, mama.
That ain't my whole life. Can you get my keys? I got keys. She got
I'm the same phone.
She got my keys.
Yes, I love it.
Where's his keys?
I don't know.
That's why
Okay, let me see your purse.
She got my
Love
keys.
it. I'll never see you again.
Let me see your purse.
You think you're gonna
Yeah, sorry.
get me locked up? I'll never see you again.
I don't have nothing to hide. I want to pure
I'm gonna go back
and
there.
love life. Live life. Who got time for this extra shit? If I want to around, I'm going to around. I'm going to do the I want to do.
Those yours?
Literally.
Come on.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you, sir.
You taking both of them?
Taking it what?
Taking
I'm
both
just
of them?
gonna get my keys
Your keys.
to my car.
Is that white car yours?
Why?
I'm confused.
What you mean? Both of
The white car's yours too?
yeah.
Be a good idea that he does not drive that car.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get my keys. Both of these my car. Both of them in my name.
Okay.
We got here.
Damn, that's crazy.
All right, let's get your keys. Are you
My body is.
are you guys going with her?
I'm not dealing with both of them. No, I'm not dealing with you and your mama.
I told them she ain't coming with us.
So what's up? Can I go?
I don't care.
No, I have nothing on me.
How are you getting where you're going?
It doesn't matter.
I ain't seen you in a long
Son,
time.
help your mama.
You ain't seen who on.
Son,
Your car keys?
help me up. You help your mama.
Where the keys at? Because I got somewhere to go. You know I'm going to this R&B thing.
Damn, that's crazy.
Okay, do you want me to drop you off at home? You saw what that's crazy?
Yeah, I want to go home.
It's all good. Mama love you, huh?
Come here.
Let's go.
Y'all is a pissy drunk.
You can say what you want. Mama love you.
Give her the keys so I don't arrest you for DUI.
I love you.
Okay, come on. Are you going home or you not?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to come on.
So you gonna leave your mama? Mama got you.
Thank you.
You know we together, right?
I'm saying what you want to do. You need a ride or what?
Okay. Come here.
No.
Now, so,
Listen.
you know what's up?
Just to get in the car,
Don't.
she's gonna leave without you.
I'm gonna get in the car. Give me a
You
second.
gonna leave your mama?
Give me a second.
You gonna leave your mama?
What you need? Give me a second.
No, I gotta go. I'm already late.
Just give me a second.
You gonna leave your mama?
Do you need a ride?
Yes.
What you think?
Both of you need to get in that car. I'm going to arrest you both.
What do you want to
Come on,
go?
son.
Get in the car.
Come on.
Well, wait a minute. She getting in the car because I got somewhere to go.
Let's take her.
Take her where? I'm not. I'm not dropping her off nowhere. No. I got somewhere to be. This ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm going to take her. No.
Oh my goodness, man. Yo, this is insane, man. This is such a good video. I'm so locked in. I can't even really talk for real. But the son, that is weird, man. His mom is a little weird. I ain't gonna lie. She hugging up on, swaying back and forth, and all like, yo, it's something not right, man. And clearly the mom and the girlfriend does not have a good relationship, because common sense would be, drop her off wherever you're gonna drop him off at, because he's not going with you to the event that you're going to. So that's common sense, but she really don't want to deal with the mom. You could clearly tell that.
We not going. We right. No. We not going. I got somewhere to go. We not going. I'm gonna get my shit good.
Where are you going?
No, don't go back.
I'm gonna go get my stuff.
Out of the house?
Yes.
You're not going back in there, dear.
Why?
Because he doesn't want you there.
See what's gonna happen?
What's going on?
Nothing, because it's like, this the only reason you already know we.
Damn, they got the whole neighborhood out, boy.
Look at my face.
Okay, we told you to leave.
I know.
Why did you come back?
Because I'm wrestling.
I want her to leave.
You what? Okay.
Look at my face.
Okay, we told you to leave.
I know.
Why did you come back?
Because I'm wrestling.
I want her to leave.
You what?
No, she don't have another place to go.
Okay. Well, then you're
Go to
under
jail.
arrest for being intoxicated in a public place. I told you to go inside.
I'll talk to my neighbor.
I told you to talk to him and back.
Can you get her stuff?
I told you to talk to him and back.
Her stuff. What, you gonna lock me up too?
I can.
I ain't did nothing.
I would advise you to go inside.
The woman was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct.